Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I have a project share for ASC Craft Supplies, and I will have them listed in the description box down below, along with a coupon code that you can use for all regular priced items. So today I am going to share a project I made with the Mente chippies. I didn't know how it was going to work out. And honestly, I thought I was going to paint this and it was going to expand and it was going to warp, and it did just fine. I used some Waverly plaster colored chalk paint to paint my my chippy, and I used some Art Alchemy metallic green. And this, guys, there was a raffle on the ASC Craft Supply Facebook group, which I will link in the description box as well. And it was $2 for a number, and I won a big box of all kinds of colors, and just a bunch of different kinds of colors. But this one's so pretty. I'm gonna have to think of how to use this during Halloween, because it's a beautiful color. It's a metallic, it's real pretty. So it didn't warp the material or anything. So I was very pleased with the chippies. And I also used the Mente Vacation, and I cannot show you the front because I cut it up. I cut the elements out. Now, I made a mini album, and it already has an owner, and I didn't make it very bulky or large because I only had a few pictures. I think it was like 17 or 18 pictures, and so I didn't do a whole lot of pockets or anything like that. It was just pages. So here is my mini album, guys, and oh my gosh, and I didn't do a closure either. I just love how it turned out. So this is the front. This is the chippy piece that I cut out of the larger one. So I cut this, I believe it was 6 by 6, or it was 6.5 maybe. But it turned out so pretty. And here's that green colored metallic paint that I used, and I just splattered the whole thing once it was all glued down. And the flowers are prima. This is part of the cut apart page, and so are the glasses, and this is up on foam. This one's up on foam. My fern leaves I did get from ASC Crafts, along with this little flower right here, these right here. I think it turned out really cute. I really was happy with the results. So this is the side, and I got this from Michelle in the last swap, and this is the back. So the inside, and guys, yes, I've already put pictures in there. That's why this album has an owner. My son claimed this as soon as he saw me putting it together, which is his dad. He said, "Mom, may I have that?" And I said, "Of course you can." I wanted it for me, guys, but he's my son, my grandson. I understand, that's his baby. So, and I did tell him, I said, "Son, it's gonna have flowers on it." He says, "I don't care. It also has my son." So he's got a shelf where he's got pictures. So my grandson's mother and my son are not married, and my grandson does live with his mother. We get to pick him up whenever we want, take him anywhere we want. We have all freedom with our grandson. So, he's here quite often. So this is our grandson. We had a really tiny party for his 7th birthday last weekend. And like I said, we just took a few pictures, and we had it at my oldest son's house. He has a pool at his house, which was a lot of fun. So I started to put mats on the pictures, under the pictures, but then I thought, okay, well, it's looking really girly, so I stopped using the mats. And actually on this side I was going to put a little corner piece so I can tuck in a tag, so I can put the date and, you know, all the information in there. That way my son would have it there. And then here's the next page. It's only got 1/4 of an inch between pages. Just put glue to flower up here, the little sunglasses down there, and see, this one still has the mat. And then this one I started without the mats. So I did use a die that I have in my stash, so it does have the stitched edge. And then this one is on foam. And then here's the next page. And I'm, you know, I hate covering up the images on the pages, but hey, you know, I made a mini album for a reason. And then here's this page. This is the cut apart. Here's another one. And this is the daddy. He was mad because his hair was all messed up. So this is my princess. This is her big brother. He's 10. This is my second granddaughter, or second grandchild, which is a girl, and he is my third. These two right here are 7 years old each. Her birthday is first, and then his in July. And this is my daughter, my husband. This is my son, the oldest one, where we went to celebrate Zach's birthday. And then this is my beautiful daughter-in-law. So he's my oldest, he is my second oldest, and she is my youngest. Yeah, and that's it. I have 3 children, 3 grandchildren, and 1 daughter-in-law. So yeah, that is my little family. And this little guy right here, he turned 10 in March. He is so shy. That's the way my son was when he was little. Super, super shy. But my son has kind of gotten over it. But my grandson, I guess it's going to take long. And then this is the last page. Put the cut apart, the ice cream cut aparts right there and right here, because it was a little summer themed birthday party. And then this is the last page. And we're all acting silly. It was so much fun. So that is the outside of my mini, or the inside of my mini album. So on the outside, what I did was put this little locking mechanism here, and you just lift up this little tab, and my shutters open to reveal a picture of the star, my youngest grandson. And there he is in all his glory, my little chunky monkey. So that, I just love the way that turned out. It turned out the way I thought it would. So I was kind of pleased about that. I said, well, you know, I didn't know if it was going to turn out well, and it did. Very happy with how it turned out. My son is going to be very happy that I'm going to give it to him already, because he's been waiting for the final reveal. And I will go upstairs and let him have it, put it up on his shelf. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just remember to use the coupon code when you visit ASC Craft Supplies. I appreciate it. And please, guys, don't forget the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I appreciate it. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.